How much 10 plus 9?
Listen, my Cash App is right there in my bio.
I want a burrito in my mouth right now.
All right, we're going to try something a little bit different today. It's still about money, or should I say the lack of it, which brings us to TikTok.
Yo, stop. Don't keep scrolling. So my friend posted today that the new viral TikTok thing is to post your Venmo. She posted it last night, and between last night and today, several people have sent her over $3,000, okay? So we're going to jump on the trend. Post your Venmo in the comments, and we'll see who blesses you. Worst case scenario, I get my coffee paid for tomorrow. Best case scenario, my husband gets his new Can-Am that he is needing me to buy with TikTok. So let's see what happens.
Do they really think people are trying to bless them? I bet most of those donations are coming from lonely guys, looking for attention or a little something more, if you know what I'm saying. This is where we're at now, using social media to ask for money. And honestly, this is one of the better ones. It gets a lot worse from here.
Let me know how much I need. Let me know how much I need, all right? Because I got 10 plus 9. Okay? How much 10 plus 9?
10 plus 9, 19.
Okay. And I'm on live, I'm begging now, so I'm on live begging now. So let me know how much I'm gonna need so I can answer the rest.
She actually asked how much 10 plus 9 is. I'm just going to have to let that one go. Why would you go through a checkout line if you don't have the money to pay for it? This is what people are turning to now. Begging on TikTok Live to pay for groceries.
How much I need. I'm on live asking now.
That's already 1936.
Huh?
That's already 1936.
What you talking about?
The price for all this is 1936. You want me to keep going?
Yeah. 19 now. Let me know how much I need now. Hold on.
32.88.
Let me see. Hold on, let me get my. So you said 30. What you said? What?
32.88.
Okay, let me go look at my calculator. Hold on. What I need? Hold on. So I got 19.
Could you imagine being behind this woman in line? This would drive me crazy. She's pulling out a calculator to figure out how much she needs to beg for. The cashier's just standing there. The line's probably backing up. And you know they're just acting like it's normal. I just have to wonder, how do you even get here?
So 32.88. So let's say 35, right? Take away 19 is 16. So 16. 16. Okay. So everyone, 16 left. You might be wild. 16 left. Oh, I'm gonna ask you. I'm asking for 16 now. Are you want to take her next and wait till I get to 16?
I can't take her until you pay.
The craziest part is how normal this all seems to her. And that's why planning matters. Not just with money, but in life. Knowing what you can afford, what you can't, and where your money is actually going. Because when there's no plan, you drift. And situations like this don't feel extreme. They just feel normal.
Hello world. This is gonna be a interesting video. So I'm starting a series where I'm asking random multi-millionaires to give me $1 million. $1 million. Not 1.1, not 1.2, not 1.3. $1 million. And I know this is unrealistic and unbelievable that somebody's actually getting on camera and asking this. I'm not asking to borrow $1 million. I'm not gonna pay it back. I'm not gonna pay it back. But every day I'm gonna try to prove to you that you should give me $1 million. I wrote a list. 10 reasons why you should give me $1 million.
I don't think this is someone who will ever have money. Instead of looking for ways to earn it, he's taken the easiest and worst possible path. Just ask strangers for it. That's no plan, no steps, no real effort. And it's not going to lead him anywhere. Here's 3 of those reasons why he thinks someone should give him $1 million.
Number 2, you will always be able to say, I remember one time I gave this guy $1 million for no reason. You can always say that for the rest of your life. Number 4, you will single-handedly break a generational curse. I would be the first millionaire on both sides, my mom and my father's side. You would do that. It's amazing, right? Number 5, I'm talented. Do a whole bunch of shit. I write scripts. I do photography. I'm a poet. I can build shit from scratch. I can paint. I can do interior painting, exterior painting. I could damn near do anything that you asked me to do. If you should give me a YouTube video, I would learn it in less than a week.
Why not put those skills to work? That is the best shot at real money. Probably because that takes time and effort. That's the hard part. And that's what a lot of people aren't willing to do. They don't want to put in the time. They don't want to lose sleep. They don't want the early mornings and late nights. They want it handed to them.
Also, I wish I could go back to the days where my dad used to just grab my car and put gas in my car, and I didn't have to worry about putting gas in my car. Or back to the days where guys used to be like, hey, let me put 20 on it. Even like 15, like anything will help, dude. Anything. Send me $10 for gas, bro. I put 93.
She's not just begging for gas money. She wants premium. That's pushing it a little bit too far. If you have to beg for fuel, regular should be just fine.
Hey, bruh, somebody finna send me some money. I want a big burrito in my mouth right now. You know what I'm saying? I need me a little burrito with some avocado, some chicken or steak, carne de asada, with some rice, some cheese, tomato, some lettuce. You know what I'm saying? Some good food. I want a burrito in my mouth right now.
He's obviously had a bit of the old stumbling juice. I cut that part out and something else you burn. So there's clearly money coming in. It's just being wasted. If you can afford those extras, you shouldn't be asking strangers for burrito money.
You know what I'm saying? It's my birthday, y'all. Y'all could do right. Nobody sent me money yet. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So just, please, be pleasing and advertise. You know what I'm saying? Just my love, my brothers and sisters. I just want to eat, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I want a full burrito in my mouth right now.
This isn't rent. This isn't groceries for a week. It's for a snack. And that's where this gets hard to take seriously. This isn't about not having money. It's about how it's being used, which is wasted.
Listen, I'm just going to be quick and say this to all these weirdo men that get up in my inbox. Listen, my Cash App is right there in my bio. If you want to send me $5,000, just go type my Cash App name in and send me $5,000. Sure, I'll be grateful for it, but don't get up in my inbox being weird. I am a happily married woman. I have a wonderful husband. Quit wasting your time. The economy is rough. Everybody struggles these days. We're all up for some free money. Just go ahead and send it if you want to send it. But get out of my inbox. I don't have time for that.
She says she'll accept money from men online, but she's happily married, so don't expect anything. That's the whole setup. You're welcome to send money, just don't expect anything in return.
Another awesome day of being homeless and having no money. Been sitting in this Walmart parking lot all day long, trying to figure out how I'm going to get enough money for gas to take my kid back to where she's staying so I can do it all again tomorrow. I got to get her to school every day, and I have no gas money. I don't even have 2 pennies. So if anybody out there would be willing to help, please comment or message me or whatever. Because it's getting really late. It's almost 7 o'clock.
I do feel bad for people in situations like this, because we don't know what led up to it. But the priorities are off. You're in a Walmart parking lot begging online. Why not walk inside and ask for an application? Why not ask viewers if they know of any work nearby? You can ask for help without asking for money.
Hey, so I know I don't really ask for much on here, but I'm going through a rough time. I'm having a hard time right now, and it's very hard for me at the moment. I do have a job, but I'm not working that many hours. I just got my paycheck yesterday, and it wasn't that much. I'm kind of disappointed. The thing is, I'm really short right now, and I really need help, if somebody can help me out. I have to pay my rent.
There is a really easy way to know what you're getting paid. An online payroll calculator. There's no surprises when your check shows up. I used to use them all the time when my hours fluctuated, and it'd be within 20 or 30 bucks every time. So there's no excuse to not know what's coming in.
My rent is due on Sunday, and I'm not getting any more money until the end of next month, which is the 28th, and I have to pay my rent. My rent is due, and the money that I had was towards my bills because I had to pay my phone bill. I just paid my phone bill, and I had to pay my cable bill, and I had to pay my electricity bill and everything. I had to pay utility bills.
I think we found the problem. Rent should have came first. Cable can wait, your phone can wait. Those aren't emergencies, they're conveniences. Somewhere along the way, the order got flipped. And now she wants to rely on strangers to pay the rent. If you want to see more, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.